I seriously can't believe it. I can't believe there's like literally no one else here at one of the most popular waterfalls in the whole of the Philippines. So I'm gonna rally on, get back on my bike, and there's a waterfall I really want to see. I don't know if I have time to get there. It's been an hour ride and it's already 4 p.m. so gonna see. Okay, I finally made it here to Kawasan Falls, which is one of the most famous waterfalls here in Cebu, if not the Philippines. I just parked and some guy made me pay like 50 pesos. Pretty sure he was just some randomer from the street, but you never really know. He's like, oh, I'm your bike watchman. So I gave him like 45 pesos, so all I had. So I was like, here, take this. Pretty sure he just walked back onto the street and will not be watching my bike, but what can you do? You never know. I'm actually hoping that they're gonna let me in because it's quite late. And I've done this on purpose, same as yesterday, where you don't show up till like 4:30 p.m. in the hopes that pretty much everyone else has gone home. All the big tour groups come here at like 9-10 a.m. and by 4 p.m. I guess they're all gone back to where they stay. So I'm hoping it's going to be really quiet. So this seems to be where you get your ticket. Hello. Okay, fun piece of information for you guys. Kawasan Falls does not close. I was like, am I too late? Can I still get in? What time does it close? And she said, no close. So you can come in as early as you like in the morning, and apparently you can come in as late as you like at night. I mean, you probably won't see very much, but it does mean you can kind of come in just as everyone else is leaving. Okay, maybe the light won't be the best and you're not going to get these gorgeous rays of light shining down on the waterfall, but coming this late was a very good idea in terms of having no tourists here. As you can see, so far I have this entire path to myself. Now maybe at the waterfall there will be some people, which is fine, but loving it so far. Kawasan Falls, look at the water! I seriously can't believe it. I can't believe there's like literally no one else here at one of the most popular waterfalls in the whole of the Philippines. Okay, the clock is kind of against me now because I think it's going to get dark really soon and I've only seen the first level. There's another 1 or 2 levels I think. But I also can't run because all I have is these lame flip-flops. I probably should have brought some runners because there's kind of like a little bit of hiking. I come at this time, there's no one here. Another cute little bridge. Another waterfall over here. It's quite slippy. Good luck! Oh my god, I just saw some people jumping as part of, I guess, a canyoneering tour, which I didn't have time to sign up for. But now I know where to jump. So it's gonna get dark really soon, so I was like, it's now or never. I gotta be brave, I gotta do it. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see, it's getting a little bit dark now, but it's still so beautiful. I'm starting to think I should probably walk faster. So I really don't want to be up here when it's dark, especially when I'm alone. I'm on the 3rd level, so now I need to go down to the 2nd and the 1st, and then from the 1st it's only a 15-minute walk back to the car park. So my only deadline is I have to have my bike back by 9 PM, which is totally fine. Well, as you can see, it's kind of getting dark now, but they have turned some lights on. It is officially dark. After dark at Kawasan Falls. It's pretty well lit, as you can see. So even if you do end up here after dark, it won't be too difficult to get back.